What is going on, guys? I have just built an agent that I think is really, really cool, and it allows you to take any information that you want on the go with you. What I mean by this is I've hooked up Siri into all of my agents, right? And I actually saw the inspiration for this from a chap called Max who works for n8n, and I kind of built on it. So what I've done is I've created a webhook that gets triggered via anytime I chat to Siri, or specifically kind of trigger that workflow, where it's then hooked up to a bunch of kind of MCPs. Inside these MCPs, we have the ability to search the web. We have the ability to go and query Triggerify here as well. So we can go get different data points. We can go get calendar information. We can send messages to my team. We can query bare metrics, which gives us, how many users that we have, MRR, everything like that on the go without me having to access. So really handy, right? If you're kind of in the car a lot or something like that, and you want to kind of spar something out, you want to run some research, you want to know what's going on. So here's how it works. Basically, we've created a shortcut app. Everyone has it, shortcuts, and then basically we're triggering, or we're using Siri to trigger the webhook, which then sends the data through to n8n. So how it works is we go, "Hey Siri, ask agent, can you let me know how many trials we had last month?" And there we go. So it's come back. We can see the text here. So we can see that we've had, how many is it saying? We had 500 trials basically last month. Over the course of the month, 276 or so were active by the end of the month. I could do the same thing. We could go, "Hey Siri, ask agent,
what's the text?
Can you send a message in Slack to Hugo saying, hi, how are you doing?" There we go. Now it's working on it. And then hopefully...
Output. I've successfully sent the message. Hi, how are you doing to Hugo via Slack? The message has been delivered.
There we go. And that's him replying back saying lol, because he knows that I built this agent. And so again, the concept right here is, and you can kind of build on top of this, but you could effectively empower your Siri to have anything and everything that you wanted at your fingertips, which makes your Siri finally a superpower and not just a useless piece of equipment on your phone with it hooked up to ChatGPT. So if you want this template, let me know. We'll give it away, and you can take the JSON and rock and roll with the shortcut app and the actual, like how I basically structured it with the MCP clients and things like that.